Okay, today we're going to be doing our garden investigation. And before we go outside, we need to look after ourselves. And one of the ways we can look after ourselves is by placing our hats on our heads, because it's Easter term 4 and the school policy is to wear our hats outside. Okay, as you're coming out, I would like you to take a bit of sunscreen and quickly put it on your hands. Okay, as you can see, these are the tomato plants that we planted earlier this term. They are growing well, but they need a little bit of help from us. So what I'm actually asking you today is to look around and what are some of the things that you can see. Yes, there are some weeds. Now weeds, what's wrong about having weeds in our garden? They're actually taking away the food that the plant requires. And while we're there weeding, we'll be turning the soil over, so when it rains or when we water our plants, the water can be absorbed quite easily by the plants, because this is how they drink. The water comes into their roots and up the plant. And as you can see, there are some few weeds coming through. Now your job first is to put your gloves on, and this helps us to keep us safe. Then we're going to be using a tool. Now this tool is to make things a little bit easier. So as you can you see the weed? I'm going to go beside the plant and lever it out. And then I'm going to use my hand that's got the glove, and I'm going to pull the weed down. Now that we finish using the fork, the tool that we used in our garden, we need to put it away carefully. So I would like you to hold the fork downwards and place it in the wheelbarrow. And this is some chicken manure that's been dried out for a while now. So this is old manure. I'll give you 2 scoops of the manure inside your watering can. So it's 1, 2. Well, the plants need some food, and this is the way they have their food. You come to me, I'll put 2 scoops of manure into your watering can, and then you come gently to the plants and you give them a little bit of a drink of water. Now, because we've finished watering our tomatoes, these are some of the plants that we have been looking after, and because they've had enough nutrients, enough food, we've produced some beautiful vegetables. Okay, happy eating, everybody.